Today, we are reviewing the Logitech MX Master 3S, available on Logitech's website and Amazon for about $100. The comfort is crazy, which has an ergonomic comfort. The thumb rest, sculpted shape feel natural for long hours of work, and the scroll wheel is ultra precise, making scrolling through long documents or code seamless. And it features three customizable buttons, including the gesture button, which can be programmed for various shortcuts in apps like Photoshop or Excel. Connection options include Bluetooth or included USB receiver, and can pair up with three devices for quick switching. The battery life is remarkable, lasting up to 70 days on a full charge, and 1 minute quick charge provides 3 hours of use. The only minor downside is the high price compared to standard mice, but for productivity users, the investment is worth it. Overall, the MX Master 3S is a top tier choice for professionals looking for precision and comfort.